Hey, what it's up? Trade or die people. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to a live streaming. So let me know. Hold on. There you go. I think the sound is actually good. Let me know if you can hear me and see me well. Yeah, I think it is. There you go. I think. Yeah, the audio is actually doing really, really good, and that's fantastic. And right now, welcome people, Trade or Die. Today, I'm actually starting 30 minutes earlier than I actually promised, but simply because I got some stuff to do during the rest of the day, and I really wanted to have this streaming and to last as much as possible. So I'm sorry if you guys didn't schedule for 30 minutes prior, but it is the way it is. I want to spend more time with you guys, and today we're gonna try something new. So that's the reason why I'm actually starting earlier. So how you doing, everybody? Let me just go ahead and turn up the AC because it's pretty hot in here. All right, so who's holding Bitcoin? Are you guys holding Bitcoin or what? And let me just go ahead and move my camera just a little bit so that you guys can see my screen. Beautiful. All right, today is Tuesday, August the 3rd, and there are no news today. So, everything's looking pretty damn good. Ghana, Venezuela, from South Africa, Ghana, how you doing? I saw people from Kenya, Nigeria, Ireland, Barbados, Luxembourg. So how's everybody doing? So here's what we're going to do today. Let me know who is going to be live trading with me today. Who is going to be live trading with me? And if you're just joining in or watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button. Only 16 likes for over almost 70 people watching this streaming. It's too low. So go ahead and smash the like button. We had one hater a few minutes back that was, I don't know, pretty sad. But yeah, let's see if we can get to 50 likes on this streaming. See people from Egypt, Nigeria, Texas. Awesome. You guys will be trading with me. Beautiful. So here's the deal. You already know that I trade with the 1 minute strategy most of the times using stochastic and RSI. Okay, I'm not gonna go through the actual strategy right now because there's a bunch of videos out there that I actually posted to help you guys out with it. But what I'm going to be doing today is actually making a combination. Some people asked me to combine the Keltner channel along with the 1 minute strategy. And I decided I wanted to make a video in regards to it. But if we can actually make it live, then I think we are going to be good to go. So hey, joining in or watching this on the replay, smash the like button. So we have stochastic right here. Let me just go ahead and move my camera a little bit. So we got stochastic in this area and we have the RSI in this one right here. So what we're going to be doing, first of all, we're going to be trading with 3% of my balance in 1 minute trades. And I'm going to switch this to 1 minute exactly. And what I'm going to be doing right here is adding the indicator call Keltner channel. Okay. So what is it that we are supposed to be doing? I'm not sure if this combination will ever work, okay? Let me just go ahead and choose the pairs with the highest payout. So I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna stick to this. Only pairs with 80% payout. There you go. So we got a bunch of pairs, okay? So we are in 1 minute candles. We're gonna switch it to 30 seconds as usual. And basically, and let me just go ahead and get my pen real quick. Basically what we're going to be doing is waiting for oversold and overbought conditions on the 3 different indicators. I know it's going to be hard, so hopefully we can have a bunch of trades with this. Let me see if it has happened in the past. Okay, maybe this, and this, maybe. So it doesn't happen that often, but we're going to see if we can get some actual trades right now. Beautiful. This one right here is a good example. So I'm going to enter for 1 minute put. I might have entered too late. And if you guys are going to be trading with me, probably you won't be able to catch all of the signals that I'm going to be entering because there is a delay for like 40 seconds on YouTube, okay? But you guys get to see the point. So basically what I'm doing right now is actually testing this specific strategy. Then we can actually, you know, test it in videos or test it on demo. Right now I'm going to be using my real account. It's okay. I'm actually going to be using 1% of my balance. I don't want to risk 3% of my balance on this specific experiment, okay? What do you mean? X2 or X Kellner multiplier? I'm not sure what you mean. I'm sorry. Oh, I have it in 1. Yeah, I have it in 1. Yeah, 1 is good. Okay, I lost that trade. It jumped in the last moment. Did I? Okay, yeah, it did. Let me see where it was 1 pip different. Okay, that's kind of weird, but I'm not gonna I'm not gonna fight it, but we're gonna look for more entry points and more opportunities. Hopefully pocket option is kind of, you know, a regular speed right now because for some reason it gets really, really slow. Live every Tuesday, I'm not sure. When I can, I'm going to be live, I promise you. Okay, some payouts already changed to 70%. $77 is still decent, so I'm just going to continue there. This looks like it's going to be a good entry point whenever the RSI gets actually touched. Okay, I'm going to go with 2%. I don't think it's going to be touched right now. Yeah, it wasn't. So let's just wait. $100 to 100,000 in 1 month. Maybe it will. I don't think the broker is gonna like that though. It's like 40-second lag or something like that. So I'm gonna enter the next trade. 3, 2, 1, and boom. So I enter for a put for 1 minute. If it keeps on jumping a little bit more, I'm gonna enter a couple of more trades. But I'm not sure if it's going to continue jumping that much. It's touching the RSI. It's overbought on stochastic and it's overbought right here. I'm going to enter a new one. I'm entering with 2% of my balance, by the way. For those of you who're just joining in, because we're actually testing a brand new strategy for binary options. It's not a new strategy per se, but it's actually a combination of the 2 latest and most successful strategies for binary options. So that basically is the Kellner strategy for 3 minutes and the 1 minute strategy for 30-second candlesticks. Right now, I'm not sure what's going on with this. It's jumping too much, but it's fine. That's why we're actually testing it. At the end of the streaming, we should know whether this is a good strategy or not. You know, if it's worth it to actually use this strategy or not. Right now, as you can see, it's jumping too much. I'm having some entries because the price will drop. Okay, eventually it will drop. I just want to catch as many entries as possible in the drop. And right now I'm going to pay attention to the actual live chat because, you know, it's kind of hard for me to pay attention to it while I'm actually trading. Wow. Okay. So no respect for the overbought conditions at all. As long as I don't blow out the account, that's actually good. I can recover later on, so don't worry about it. If you guys will be doing this with me, you guys should be using your demo account, okay? Don't go and trade with the real account. Not gonna be responsible for it. Okay. Did anybody pay attention as to what was my initial balance by any chance? Maybe you guys can let me know. That way we can know if we are breaking even or if we are making money indeed. I think it was $9,000. Yeah, the market seems crazy. It's okay. Pocket option or Quotex. I posted a video in regards to this question, like which one is actually better. I do recommend you to go and check it out. 9,000. Okay, hold on. Let me just go ahead and write it down right here. So that then 9216. So that then I can do the math and see whether we made money or we lost money. Okay, thank you very much, Mark and Ian. So right now the RSI is actually dropping, so I don't think we're gonna have more entry points right here. We lost $500 in this specific pair. It's fine. It's fine. The RSI right here is not touching, so we're gonna look for another opportunity. I would say that pair was actually crazy, so it's not gonna count as that combination is really not that good. Okay, I want to be fair with them. Okay, here I think I'm going to have a good entry point. I enter it right now because I don't think it's going to jump that much. But if it does, then this is the resistance level, so I could actually have a few entry points right here. Around this area. If it jumps and touches that line, then we're going to have a couple of more entries. We're going to see how that one actually goes. Thank you, Lazy, for the feedback, man. I really would love that everybody could do the same. But unfortunately, no. And it's not, it's nobody's fault. It's just the way it is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Okay, so I enter a little bit higher. I lost one trade. I enter a little bit higher because I do know that Stochastic will eventually do this. Right? And we're going to have some cool profits right there. I'm waiting for a slightly stronger jump in order to enter more positions, but I don't, if it jumps a little bit more, then the RSI is actually going to touch the 70 level, but it's really unlikely right now. Maybe within the next couple of minutes. As long as we win this trade and then it jumps, that's fine because that's going to give us some entry point. There's a bunch of questions right here. And here I will ask you to use the super chat if you guys want me to answer your questions because there's a bunch of questions right now. Let me see how many people are actually watching. Over 100 people. Okay, there's over 100 people watching and around 40 likes. So what's going on? Smash the like button right there and support this YouTube channel, all right? Smash the like button right now. Let's get to 100 likes with this streaming. Okay, so we won that trade, but the price went down, so we don't have more entry opportunities. Therefore, we're actually looking for another opportunity. Okay, this would have been amazing, but I didn't really realize. Okay. Poof, this continues to be overbought. I'm going to close this pair because this is the one that actually made us lose money. Remember, if you guys want me to answer a question, make sure that you guys use the super chat. Otherwise, it will be nearly impossible. I see a bunch of questions. Okay, so I guess we're going to have to wait. We're going to wait and for the market to actually. Thank you, Lazy. Okay, 15 years. I've seen a trend that the younger you are, the easier it is for you guys to handle technology. So yeah, you probably do way better than me. Yeah. I try to add the 200 SMA trade only with the trend and look good so far. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually good always. Trend is your friend, remember. So it's always good that you continue with your trend. But the thing is that you will have less entry points. That's basically what's going to happen. But yeah, I mean, you can do that. No problem at all. Thank you, Vikas, for the 20. I'm not sure what that is. Is that rupees? But thank you. And make sure that you ask your question, right? Because otherwise. Okay, looks like I'm going to have a good entry point right here. Why I'm not using the 2-minute strategy? Is this better? I do believe it is better, yeah. This is a nice resistance level, so I'm going to enter that one. It's overbought on Kellner. It's nearly overbought on Stochastic, and it's getting close to be at the resistance level on RSI. Probably I took a risk right here, but I really saw a good resistance level that it's supposed to be respected. Right now, as you can see, it's overbought right here. And I don't think RSI is actually going to reach. This is pure my own analysis, right? I'm using the BLW Turbo app with support and resistance. Awesome, man. And how is it going? I mean, everything with support and resistance is better. Okay, and the Turbo app is super cool, super, super profitable. But with support and resistance, it gets even better. Okay, so I won this one. So we are $8,800. We're not recovered yet. We did lose one trade at the beginning, which was the largest one. Oh, we lost a few trades with this freaking pair. Okay, now we're gonna have a good entry point right here, I guess. I just need to see a slight stronger drop to around this area, and then I'm in. Maybe close to that area would be good. Like, okay, this drop was actually amazing. So enter for 1 minute call. Sometimes you can't really wait for the pair to be completely overbought or oversold in all the indicators. Sometimes you know that the price is going to retract. As you can see right here in this specific entry point, it was oversold on Kellner. It was oversold on Stochastic, but it didn't reach the 30 level on RSI. So you gotta risk it, but I guess you understand my point, right? You got to know what's going on with the pairs. Right now, it could even drop a little bit more and lose the position. It's a risk, or it could just continue going up. Right now, I am going to enter a new call if it reaches again the lowest level. There you go. Just drop a little more because I see it's okay. It's gone. But the stochastic was showing that the price was going to start jumping, you know. Okay, so $8,900. We haven't recovered yet. guys, please stop spamming. That's the first, don't copy and paste. That's basically what I mean. You can ask as many questions as you guys want to, but don't copy and paste. And if you guys want me to actually answer your question, make sure you use the super chat. And it's not because of money. It's because I can pay attention a lot more. Boom. A good put position right here. The RSI after passing the 50 mark, we're not actually looking at the trend. We're looking at retractions with these strategies, okay? So basically the RSI determines when there's gonna be a retraction, not directly the trend. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't even know how many trades I'm gonna place today. Now I only use 5 minutes to point resistance. Awesome, Vikas, I'm really happy for you. How much money are you making every day with the BLW Turbo app? By the way, for those of you who don't know, let me just go ahead and show you what Vikas is actually talking about. We won this trade. There you go. So we are 9,100. We pretty much are recovering. This is the BLW Turbo app that Vikas is actually mentioning. This application is for binary options for 5 and 15-minute trades. And it's amazingly profitable. So I do recommend you to get it. The BLW Turbo strategy also comes with a masterclass where it teaches you exactly how to use it. So yeah, definitely a must have if you want to make money with binary options, okay? Also, if you guys are very new at binary options and what you're looking forward to is to learn either binary options or Forex, then I do recommend you to go to the BLW Trading Academy, blwtradingacademy.com website. It's my personal training. I teach you everything in regards to binary options and Forex trading, okay? Is it possible to blow your account with this strategy? Only if you invest more than what you're supposed to. For instance, right here, I'm actually investing as low as 2% of my balance. So if you guys stay there, then you guys are gonna be good to go. Now, I'm entering in this huge jump because I do see that the RSI almost touched. Okay, but there's still a possibility that it jumps a little bit more so that the stochastic actually goes up, or this could happen, right? A fast retraction and the price dropping strongly, and me winning the trade. So yeah. Is there a video for this strategy? Yeah, go into my YouTube channel and you're gonna find a bunch of videos in regards to it. Remember guys, if you guys really want me to answer your questions, make sure you use the super chat so that I can really pay attention to it. Take a look at the form of the RSI. Awesome. So we won that trade. So as you can see, the strategy is looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. So far we've won 5 positions in a row. The first trades, I think I was too greedy with it. But right now we're basically breaking even. So it's beautiful. Have you guys been placing trades right now while this streaming goes on? If you can see, I don't usually trade during the actual strong trends like this one. Even though this would have been a good entry point, but you know. Oof, this one I don't think is going to drop more. Yeah, we missed that one. Wow, this is a huge one. If it drops a little more, I'm even going to enter a new one. There you go. Take a look at the RSI and take a look at the stochastic, and obviously it's being completely oversold on Kellner. There's going to be a new candlestick forming right now in 1 second exactly. Okay. There's supposed to be a huge jump right now. Well, maybe not that huge because RSI didn't really touch it strongly, but there's supposed to be a jump right now. If it drops a little more, I enter just a little more because this huge drop, it's just like the Bitcoin effect that happened during last week. All that jump has to come along with a small drop. And right now it's actually dropping a little bit. Bitcoin, not this one. Awesome. So $9,600. We have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven trades in a row. We've been winners for it. Let's look for more entry points. Right now, it's almost half hour since this session actually started. But I do believe that we can have a couple of more trades. Right now in Euro USD, I'm just going to wait for a slight drop right here. I want RSI to get as close as possible to it, although I don't think it's actually going to drop that much. Let me enter this one and see if it jumps or it keeps on dropping and gives me a new entry point. Oh, shoot, I entered wrong. Okay, my bad. I should have entered a little bit lower, but I was waiting for the candlestick to expire. Right now, there's a slight risk, and it's in the RSI. As you can see, the RSI hasn't touched, so there is a slight risk in it. But yeah, what happened here? Okay, it's okay because it's going to give us more opportunities to enter. All right. So yeah. The price will jump. Hopefully we don't end up losing all the profits we made so far. Well, we didn't really make that much profit. The RSI indicates that there is going to be a jump at any second. This thing right here kind of gets me worried. All right. Yeah, exactly what I thought it was going to happen. Okay, right now the RSI, it is going to touch and I am going to recover. Don't worry about it. And we still have a lot of time to actually keep on trading. So we're going to continue, and the point of this specific video is actually to test this specific strategy. It jumped too late. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah, the drop is strong, but because it's actually looking forward to touch in the RSI. I'm not going to give up on this pair because I know it's going to have a jump. Just waiting to see when. Okay, I'm risking a lot. But this pair is not going to beat me, I promise you. So I'm not going to recover what I lost, that's for sure, because I'm going to make like $900. So I'm going to be at 9,000. Like around $9,000. So we lost like $600 here. Raise to 10%. No. I was greedy with this one too, but it's okay. I should have waited for the RSI and I would have been amazingly profitable, but that's fine. Let's look for a new entry point. Remember, people, if you guys want to use want me to answer your questions, make sure that you guys use the super chat. Okay, super important. That way I can pay attention to it. Take a look at Euro USD. Come on, man, you're killing me here. Okay, so we're gonna stay away from Euro USD, like for sure. And this one right here looks like it's going to be a good entry point. RSI has been crushed. Stochastic is oversold, and also Kellner channel is oversold. Right now it's dropping too much, so we're waiting for a huge jump. Let's wait and see. Oh, my face frozen. Okay, sorry, that was my camera. Woof, risking a lot here. But if we're able to actually catch the jump like the previous one, then we're going to be good to go. Right now it's kind of jumping right there, but it's going to jump a little more. And concentrator. I even actually not planned, but I was kind of ready to lose around $2,000 with this specific testing of the combination of these two strategies. Hopefully that doesn't really happen though. But just so that you guys know that I was kind of getting ready for the risk and play around with the numbers a little bit. All right, now it looks a little bit better. We're not gonna get to the 9,300, but we're kind of breaking even right there. I guess by the time that I finally get to trust the strategy and control it, I think it would be cool, just to play some real trades. Taking in consideration everything, right? Risks and so on. We might even lose the last trade, you know? Take a look at the drop. Okay, this trend looks pretty strong, so I'm going to continue looking for a new one. Okay, this looks like it's going to be a good entry point. I do think that I already missed it though. I entered because I realized that the stochastic was crossing going up. But it's too risky. This one is too risky. I'm gonna try to look for more entry points right now. I'm sorry that I haven't answered the questions, or I am trying to get my live trades right here. Hey, why haven't you smashed the like button? 83 likes, over almost 200 people watching this streaming. Come on, smash the like button to support this YouTube channel, people. I'm waiting for you likes. Like, subscribe, share, everything you guys can do. All right, we have right now like 15 more minutes for this streaming, and I will be a lot more cautious with the trades, just so that we can actually have, a better time. I'm gonna be trading with 3%. And what I'm going to be doing is focusing on the RSI against the Kellner. So therefore, right now, I do believe that I'm going to have a good entry. Wow. No, I need to wait for a slight jump because I want RSI to be touched. Okay. Thank you. The settings for the indicator is actually the 1 minute strategy, stochastic oscillator, RSI, and the Kellner channel combination. I'm trying to make a combination here. We're actually testing this for the first time. This payout is too low. We're testing this for the first time. So yeah, we're actually having a good time. This is actually good. This is gambling. Yeah, you should unsubscribe and, leave. All right. Hey, have you guys gotten my brother's new indicator? It was actually launched yesterday. It's this one right here. NW Turbo app. Go ahead and check it out. nwturboapp.com. It was launched yesterday. He actually posted a video about it today as well on his channel. So it's really good. It's looking good so far. What should we really keep in mind with the 1 minute strategy to have more accurate trades? You need to look for the actual RSI. There's a problem right here. Basically, I would say that most of the times we lose trades because we don't wait for the RSI to be touched. You know what I mean? That's like the most common issue. So make sure that you actually take a look at the RSI and respect the RSI to be touched before you enter the trade. Okay? And I think that's actually going to boost your results a lot more. Okay, so payouts are going low in several pairs, which is completely normal though. Thank you. This looks like a good resistance level though. How many trades I've made so far? Wow, I'm not sure. Let me see. I think 38 trades. Okay, 38 trades so far. That's actually cool. Don't try this at home though, Always stick to what I teach you. Thank you very much for the tips. I'm not reading all the comments like out loud, but I'm actually checking them out. All right. So I do appreciate that you guys are participating all the time. Oh my God. We don't have entry points now. It gets boring. Let me do something different here. Let's have 4 charts at once. Yeah, but I don't really like this. Yeah, I don't actually think this is going to look good. So, oh shit. You know, because I was looking at the charts, I missed this entry point. Okay. Quotex is not good for this strategy. Yeah, it is really good, but on Quotex, I'm actually doing a different video recording. I'm actually trying to reach $10,000 or $1,000 with my brother's app, with the NW Turbo app. So that's the reason why I'm not using it today. Dominique, go ahead and contact the support team, either mine or theirs, support at thenextwebtrading.com, and they're going to help you out with it. Okay. I'm glad that you guys are making money. I'm reading your comments right now. Can we trust Pocket Option or Quotex with the withdrawal around 20? I have withdrawn even 30,000 and it has been good. Woo! Okay. So we're good. We're almost breaking even. AUDJPY. Oh shit, I lost that one. They take 24 hours to answer, so. Thank you, Luis, for the extra tips. We have new pairs on the 80% payout. All right, let's just wait for it to provide a signal or entry point. 6 wins, 2 losses, that's awesome. NW app is good? Yeah, it's good. I helped my brother to create it. Okay, Zachary, yeah, stop. Stop. If you already have 5 out of 5, then you can stop. I don't really have a specific date when I start with the streamings. Oh, I appreciate it. 126 likes, 200, over 200 people watching. I appreciate that you guys are here today. Make sure you smash the like button to support this streaming and this YouTube channel. Okay. Should we leave it right here? 9216 minus 9124. We pretty much lost to $92, which is not good. But I guess we do believe that the actual combination, without these trades that I lost at the beginning, I would have been super, super profitable for like $600 or something like that. So yeah. But when I took it seriously, we are making a bunch of winning trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 loss, then 9. So it looks pretty damn good. Thank you, Kenny B. Thank you very much for that super chat tip, I guess what it's called. I don't want to be, bit tipped, but thank you very much for the support. Any reason why I'm trading with 1 minute? I love it. Why don't you make videos in regards to the BLW Turbo app? Because I made many videos in regards to it, so I don't really think it's necessary for me to continue making videos with it. And more importantly, I do focus a lot on manual strategies as well nowadays. But the app is still good. You can just go ahead and join right now and you're going to realize about it. I guess this one might provide us with a good entry point in about 1 minute. A couple of more candles. It jumps a little bit more right here to around this area. And we're going to be good to go because that means that basically the RSI is going to be touched as well. We need a couple of green candles in order for that to happen. But if it drops right now below the 80 level on stochastic, then no. While I'm using Kellner, okay, man, I'm gonna bend you like literally right now. Drew VS, I already answered that it's good. So why you keep on spamming, man? I don't want to mute you, but I do mute people when they are asking the same question, copy paste. I don't think we're going to have more entry points. Okay, this right here looks like it's going to be a good entry point. Let's just wait. My brother's app is this one right here, nwturboapp.com. I'm going to copy and paste the link right here. Thank you very much for the feedback, people. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Honestly, you guys make me feel very, very, very proud that you guys are making money with it. Okay, we're going to have one more trade right here. It's going to be a put for 1 minute. And if we win this one, I think we're going to just stop right there. We enter with 3% of our balance. Right now it's jumping a little more. Okay, and I made the mistake. Do you guys see the mistake? RSI hasn't touched yet. Now it is going to touch right now, but it's because of the green candle that you saw that jumped, okay? So hopefully we can win one and lose one. We're gonna be good to go. Or even if I win the two of them, that would be amazing. Although right now it's going to be pretty hard for it to drop all the way to this level because it's an uptrend, right? So it's a small retraction that we took advantage of. Okay, I'm not going to talk anymore. Hopefully we win both of them. But yeah, the mistake was actually not waiting for the RSI to either touch or be as close as possible. Okay, so we won the first one, which is nice. We're at 9,100. If we win this one, then we're going to be in profit, which is good, taking in consideration that I risk a lot and that I gamble a lot at the beginning pretty much because I was like really trying to understand the combination of the two strategies. And yeah, definitely, man. If you want to test these two strategies together, I do believe they're profitable. Right now, we're going to review the actual results. So we are $9,600. The last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 positions were actually winners. And in my actual account, right now it hasn't refreshed. Let me just go ahead and refresh this real quick. Okay, it hasn't shown the latest trades. Let's just wait for a few seconds to update it. Let me see. Questions. 259 what? What do you mean? Okay, it hasn't updated. Let me see if I can refresh this thing. How can I be losing $91, man? Okay, I'm not sure. Let's just go ahead and see the statistics. Don't try to copy me on social trading because I'm not trading on social trading or anything like that. Okay, for some reason it hasn't just replied. But yeah. It hasn't been updated. Yeah, I'm going to try to make these streamings at least once a week. Tomorrow I'm going to have a new streaming, but it's not going to be live trading. It's going to be a complete training. Let me see the name because I don't really remember the name that I gave it to him. And this is super important. If you guys want to join that specific training, is going to be super, super, super powerful. It is called Binary Options for Beginners in 2021. So if you're a binary options trader, then definitely want to be tomorrow. It doesn't matter whether you are how can I put it? It doesn't matter if you are a beginner, if you're an experienced trader, or if you simply, at the end of the day, what I want you guys to do or to realize is that there is going to be a full training tomorrow. There's going to be like about an hour where I'm going to teach you everything in regards to binary options from scratch. Okay, so if you're very beginners, then this is the moment. This is the moment to shine. Okay, so yeah, over 250 people watching. I appreciate that you guys are liking this specific live streaming. And hey, we're gonna leave it right here. But if you enjoy the content of this live streaming, make sure you smash the like button. It was almost 1 hour trading. We did make around $400 in it. Let me see if it refreshed. No, it didn't refresh. What's going on with this thing in Pocket Option? All right, but yeah. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button. If you have any questions and watching this in the replay, make sure that you guys use the comment section below. My team will be glad to answer your questions. And more importantly, if you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for watching this streaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one, people. Cheers.